Hello Internet, and welcome back to the Digital Marketing Hub. And today we're gonna talk about yoga. Yoga is a Sanskrit word which means to connect, join, or balance. This exercise originated in ancient India, and it is an exercise for the body and mind. Science has shown that yoga is beneficial because it helps the physical conditions of the body, like acquiring peace of mind, good health, better sleep, increased focus and concentration, etc. And it's also a fact that yoga has helped many of us to live calm and peaceful lives. Yoga is also very good for women because relative to men, women are more at risk of experiencing reproductive-related health issues due to physiological hormonal shifts like menstruation and health crises such as breast cancer. With that said, here are the 10 benefits for yoga exercise. Strength and posture. There are proper yoga poses for the strengthening of the bones and muscles. With the proper way of doing these poses, your flexibility and coordination will also increase. All of this will help you from injury, whether muscle or bone. Studies show that an average 80% of osteoporosis sufferers are women, which is why it's absolutely necessary for you to take bone health very seriously. It has been shown that women who practice yoga regularly have a lower body mass index, which makes it easier for them to maintain their body weight. Skin protection and glow. A study conducted at Cornell University shows that the skin takes longer to repair when you're under stress. In other words, those acne and pimple breakouts and other blemishes will stay longer on your skin than usual. Because yoga emphasizes stress relief and relaxation of the mind and body, it will help in giving and maintaining your skin's glow every day. Tone body. Yoga is also a physical exercise. Rather than increasing muscles like going to the gym, yoga stretches the muscles and opens the energy channels of the body. Therefore, you will not look buff but toned. A regular practice will help our entire body to be sculpted and strengthened. Self-confidence. Yoga has the power to help you connect and focus more on having a deep connection with your inner self, which increases your self-awareness. By being aware of your body, you are helping yourself in improving posture and increasing self-confidence. Having a stress-free mind and having a love for your own self are one of the main ingredients for self-confidence. Flexibility. Although it may not happen overnight, with the regular practice of yoga, you will definitely gain flexibility. This will help in stretching the notoriously tight muscles like your back, shoulders, and hips. Additionally, yoga will also alleviate the natural aging process, which will decrease the mobility and flexibility. Stress reduction. Stress can never be avoided. Wherever we are, there are always situations that present potential stress. Because women are more likely the multitaskers, there will always be a load of stress being carried around on top of their heads. With the practice of breathing techniques and meditation, yoga will help you reduce stress. Mental health care. A research published in 2015 by Psychiatry and Neuroscience showed that women are far more likely to suffer from depression than men. Also, according to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, anxiety and feeling of being overwhelmed also affect women in great numbers. However, medication techniques through yoga like breath control and mind disengagement will help you stay calm and keep your mind away from anxiety and other intense feelings. Hormonal Help. Women are known to have experience of hormonal imbalance from time to time. As much as how unpleasant it is, mood swings, fatigue, bloat, digestive problems, or worse, cramps can happen depending on where you are in your cycle. However, the practice of yoga will help you control the unpleasant feelings of your cycle and ease the menstrual cramps. It helps stimulate, activate, and balance the glands and organs that are responsible for hormonal health. Childbirth. Yoga can be a good friend to have by your side through your journey towards motherhood. From family planning to pregnancy to birth and postpartum, yoga will help you in every step of the way. With the proper poses, it will help stimulate the ovaries, support the lower back, and open the hips. Research also shows that yoga helps in decreasing labor pain and physical discomfort during pregnancy and labor. Regular sleep cycle. According to study in Medical Science Monitor, the patients who practice yoga and meditation regularly through the day sleep better at night than those who don't. Because it reduces anxiety and stress, you will have no problem falling asleep. In addition, it will also help in giving you a calm and peaceful sleep without sleeping problems or disorders. Click on the link below for more tips and information.